We all have those sentences or entire paragraphs that we use over and over and over again. Instead of rekeying or copying and pasting from one place to another, wouldn't it be great to be able to hit a couple of keys and have all the work done for us? That's what this video is about. Hi, my name is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. TextBlaze is the text expander that I use, and even the free version is pretty powerful. Let's show you how it works. A /SIG, and on the right, you see what it changes it into, an entire signature line. It's that easy. Every one of the little snippets is going to start with that forward-leaning slash, followed by a couple of characters of your choice. So how do you get it? Go to bit.ly/FrankBuckTextBlaze. That's all in lowercase. Again, bit.ly/FrankBuckTextBlaze. Now, there's a free account, but my link is going to give you a month TextBlaze Pro for free. I think you're going to like what you see. After it's installed, you'll see in the menu bar the little icon for it. When you click on that icon, you'll see what we have now, a button where you can add a new snippet right from there, or you can go to the dashboard. So here I am in the dashboard. Here are all my snippets down the left-hand side. I can click the plus sign to add a new one. So why don't we do that? So I'm going to click the plus, and I have a new one in mind. You're going to hear a little bit about Calendly later, but I want to compose a little message that I can just insert into any emails that explain to people what my Calendly is all about. So for the new snippet name, I'm going to call that Calendly. And then here's my little shortcut. It's going to start with that slash, but I'll say, let's do the letter CA. And I've already composed the text and just copied it somewhere else just to save a little time. So when I click this, or when I type that, I want it to turn it into that, okay? Let's preview how that's going to work. I'll just click the little preview button, and that's what it's going to show me. And let's try it out. I'll click try it out, and so I'll just do boom, and there it is. There's the text that I wanted. Let's look at an example. In this example, this is going to be an email from a parent who's asking a question, and the answer to that question is so well covered in the handbook. So let's say that I'm a band director, that I'm using TextBlaze. The parents asked this question, and I don't want to spend 30 minutes typing out an answer that was answered in the handbook, but I also don't just want to hit reply and say, hey, lady, read the handbook. So watch what I do. I'm going to hit reply. And dear Mrs. Jones. And then watch what I do. I'm going to hit /H. And look what TextBlaze has done. It's typed out this very pleasant email that talks about the handbook and how things are covered in the handbook, so forth and so on. Encourages the parent and the student to get together and see if they can find the answer in there. And if they can't find the answer, to let you know. Well, of course, they're going to look and they're going to find the answer. Knowing that it's there, they're not going to wind up calling you again saying, hey, we can't find it. And you know what? Next time, before that parent sends you the email, they're going to look in the handbook first, because people are going to do the easiest thing, and you want to make the right thing the easiest thing. And the right thing to do is for them to read the handbook first before they go emailing you. There are a lot of things that you can do with TextBlaze. If you need a date timestamp, I've got like one of those built in, /DTS. That would just put the current date and time. We'll say, let's try that out. And so /DTS did it for me. Let's do another one. Let's do /E at, and it gave me my entire email signature. Lots of things that you can do. You'll enjoy TextBlaze. If you liked this video, how about giving it a thumbs up? And check out these two videos right over here. Subscribe to the channel while you're at it so you never miss a thing. And visit my website for tons of free content. Thanks for stopping by. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.